that's me, Diane. I've watched every show on Netflix, all the programming on HBO, and now I'm done with Showtime. Hulu too. I need something else to watch, or I'm gonna have to notice my life. I need to go to a mall. I had to get away from my husband. I liked him when he wasn't around. I didn't know I was married to him. I got my kids, and they never leave. And I don't like them anymore. I can't be part of this family anymore. I don't know if it's going to be me jumping in my car and heading down to South Carolina to just live with my folks again. I feel like I might do something in my sleep or by mistake to kill them all.